Hi, Sal with LeadingLandlord.com. Today, here's tip number one for getting longer bookings for your short-term rentals. If you want to get bookings that are over 30 days, this is what you do. You turn off Instant Book. That's the first tip. Turn off Instant Book. That jacks up your calendar. So if you are in the business of wanting to do extended stays and you take a booking every 2 weeks or so, well, you're never really going to get in the game because Airbnb, VRBO, these online travel agencies cannot present your listing to someone who's looking for a 30-day stay if you have a booking on day 21. So it's not going to work. You're going to have to commit to doing extended stays, and that is how you do it. You got to commit to doing it. Now, there's an exception. Once you have 2 long-term stays back to back, and if there's a gap in between there, then you turn your Instant Book on to fill that gap if you so choose. I think you should instead just kind of upgrade your unit. That's what I'm doing now. I'm swapping out these older light switches, these for white ones, modern looking ones. So I'm doing that in between bookings, and I got someone coming in a couple days. So that is tip number one. Stay tuned for this series on how to get longer term bookings.